Welcome to Discurso Tidbit News, your quick guide to clear perspectives and insightful stories. And for the news this afternoon, Philippine Army concludes cybersecurity exercise. The Philippine Army has wrapped up a 2-day cybersecurity drill, Cyber Exercise Defense 2025 at Fort Bonifacio, Taguig City. The exercise brought together 20 teams from universities and reserve units, testing their real-world cyber defense skills through intensive drills. This initiative follows a recent cyber intrusion attempt on the Army's networks, which was successfully contained. While no damage was reported, the Army is now reinforcing its cybersecurity measures to prevent future breaches. By strengthening cyber defenses, the Philippine Army aims to enhance national security and safeguard critical information against emerging threats. And for our next news, Philippine Coast Guard blocks Chinese vessel near Zambales. The Philippine Coast Guard or PCG intercepted a Chinese Coast Guard ship near Zambales on Saturday, March 8. The 44-meter BRP Cabra successfully blocked CCG-3105 from moving closer to the Philippine coastline, despite rough sea conditions with waves reaching 3 to 5 meters. PCG spokesperson Commodore J. Tariela reported that the Chinese vessel was kept at a distance of over 95 nautical miles from shore, preventing further encroachment. The PCG maintains its stance against the unlawful presence of Chinese vessels in the West Philippine Sea, citing violations of international and domestic laws. Coast Guard Commandant Admiral Ronnie Gil Gavan reaffirmed their commitment to protecting Philippine waters, aligning with President Marcos Jr.'s pledge to defend every inch of the country's territory. And for our last news, DOTR fires 3 employees over Tanimbala incident at NAIA. The Department of Transportation has dismissed 3 personnel from the Office of Transport Security or OTS over an alleged Tanimbala or bullet planting incident at NAIA. The OTR Secretary Vince Dizon confirmed the terminations effective March 10 but withheld the employees' identities. The case involves 69-year-old Ruth Adele, who was accused of carrying a bullet in her luggage at NAIA on March 6, an incident that nearly caused her to miss her flight to Vietnam. The DOTR swift action reinforces its commitment to preventing similar controversies and ensuring passenger safety and trust at the country's airports. And that is all for the news. Keep an eye on Discurso Tidbit News, your quick guide to clear perspectives and insightful stories.